Good morning, students. Chapter 4, motion in plane. Last topic, that is relative velocity. Yes, what is relative velocity? You already know from chapter number 3. Yes, same concept, but we have to write in the form of brackets. Okay, see, if it is ground, object A is moving with velocity VA with respect to ground. Okay, object B is moving with velocity VB with respect to ground. Means these two objects are moving with respect to ground. For their frame of reference is ground. Okay, so what is relative velocity between A and B if they share common reference frame of reference? See here, velocity of A with respect to B. How to indicate? VAB is equal to, it is VA minus VB. So yes, you know its equation. Velocity of A with respect to B, VAB is equal to VA minus VB. Okay, similarly, velocity of B with respect to A, it is VBA is equal to VB minus VB. Okay, now see, if I take one example, for example, I have VA is equal to, VA means velocity of A, 5 I caret. VA is equal to 5 I caret means magnitude is 5 and direction is positive x-axis. VB, for example, VB is equal to minus 10 I caret. So what is meaning of minus 10 I caret? Velocity of B, its magnitude is 10, but it is moving in negative x direction. Clear about this? Okay. Now first, if I find VAB means velocity of A with respect to B, then how to write it is VA minus VB. Okay, what is VA? Yes, it is 5 caret. Minus VB means it is minus 10 I caret. So this minus will become plus. So yes, it is equal to, it is 15 I caret. Clear about this? Okay, so velocity of A with respect to B, its magnitude is 15 and its direction is positive x-axis. If I find VBA for the same data, then what is the equation? Yes, it is VB minus VA. What is the value of VB? Minus 10I. What is VA? Yes, it is 5I. So it will be minus 15I. Now what is meaning of VA is equal to minus 15I caret? Its magnitude is 15 and direction negative x-axis. So see, VAB 15I caret, VBA minus 15I caret means the magnitudes are same, but the direction is opposite. Magnitudes are same, so we can write like this. Magnitudes are same means we can write like this. Mode of VAB is equal to mode of VBA. See, their magnitudes are same, 15 and 15. Yes or no? Yes, it is. Okay, but VAB and VBA vector, they are not same because the direction is opposite. The direction is opposite. Clear about this? So yes, if you want to write the vector relation, then how to write? You can write like this. VAB is equal to minus VBA. VAB is equal to minus VBA. See, VAB, if you multiply minus sign, if you multiply minus, you will get VB. Okay, so yes, it is all about relative velocity. You have to remember this equation. VAB is equal to VA minus VB. VA minus VB. Clear about this? Okay, again, if velocity, yes, velocity is vector quantity. So you will be given condition, and according to that condition, you have to write velocity vector, and then you have to find relative velocity. Okay, now we will see one example based on relative velocity. See, example 4.6. Rain is falling vertically with a speed of 35 meter per second. A woman rides a bicycle with a speed of 12 meters per second in east to west direction. What is the direction in which she should hold her umbrella? Okay, see, now we will write each and every data and we will draw figure. See, rain is falling vertically with a speed of 35 meters per second. So let velocity of rain, okay, VR is equal to, it is 35 meters per second. A woman rides a bicycle with a speed of 12 meters per second, means velocity of bicycle is VB is equal to, yes, it is 12 meters per second. Your question is, in which direction she should hold her umbrella? See, if we draw picture, it is not direction, south, east and west. Yes or no? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Okay, it is not direction south, east and west. Now, see, rain is falling vertically downward. Rain is falling vertically downward. Vertically downward means what? See, first of all, you have to understand these directions. It is not south, east. It is west, upward and down. Clear about this? Yes or no? Yes. Here rain is falling in vertically downward direction. See, rain is falling in vertically downward direction, means in downward direction. Woman rides its cycle from east to west. East to west means in this direction. So yes, this condition is like this. It is velocity of rain. It is velocity of cycle. It is velocity of cycle. Clear about this? Okay. But how to draw a figure? I will draw like this. See, it is in this direction. Rain is falling in downward direction. Rain is falling in downward direction. Yes, you know, rain is falling in downward direction. Yes or no? Yes, it is. Okay, yes, it is. Now, from which point you have to draw? See, I am drawing this velocity vector from this point origin. So yes, it is VR. It is VR, velocity of rain. It is not in south direction. Hello students, actually north, it is in this direction and south is here. But yes, I have to draw a figure like this. Okay, so yes, rain is falling in vertically downward direction. It is here. Woman rides a bicycle with a speed of 12 meters per second in east to west. East to west means in this direction. In this direction. It is VB. It is VB. Clear about this? Clear about this? Now see, whenever there are two objects in motion, then we have to find relative velocity between them. Here, rain is falling in vertically downward direction. If you are stationary, so yes, you have to hold your umbrella like this. But if you are also in motion, then you have to hold umbrella in direction of resultant velocity. In direction of resultant velocity. Yes, rain is falling in vertically downward direction. Bicycle is moving in western direction. Then you have to put umbrella in direction of relative velocity of rain with respect to bicycle. So first of all, we have to find and see relative velocity of rain with respect to bicycle. With respect to bicycle. Okay, how to find VRB? It is VRB. What is equation of VRB? VRB means it is VR minus VB. VRB means it is VR minus VB. Okay, how to find VRB? VRB is equal to VR minus VB. Now see, what is meaning of this VRB? VRB. VR minus VB means I can also write this VR plus minus VB. Yes, we know. Remember method of vector addition with the help of triangle method and subtraction. VRB is equal to velocity of rain with respect to bicycle. Velocity of rain with respect to bicycle. Velocity of train with respect to bicycle, its equation is Vr minus Vb. How to write? It is Vr plus minus Vb. Now see, it is Vb. Then what is minus Vb? Yes, minus Vb will be in this direction. It is minus Vb. It is minus Vb. Clear about this? Clear about this? Sure. So now we have two vectors, Vr and minus Vb, and the resultant is Vrb, and the resultant is Vrb. Clear about this? Clear about this? Now what is direction of resultant vector? We will find it. See, here it is. If it is one point, from this point, first vector is Vr, yes, vertically downward. Another vector is minus Vb, yes, minus Vb. Then see, these two vectors are from the same common point. These two vectors are from the same common point. Then take two vectors as adjacent sides. Complete parallelogram. Then it gives their resultant. Clear about this? This vector is nothing but, yes, it is Vrb according to law of parallelogram. Clear? And assuming that this angle is theta. Clear about this? Okay. Then see, yes, there is one right angle triangle. Its magnitude is Vr. This magnitude means magnitude of Vb. Okay. Clear? Again, it is Vr. Yes, you are given Vr. This magnitude is Vb. Yes, you are given Vb. Then yes, you can easily find this angle theta. Okay, theta, it is its opposite side and it is its adjacent side. So yes, with the help of this, you can find this angle theta. See how to find angle theta. From figure, tan theta. From figure, tan theta. Tan theta is equal to, tan theta means opposite side. Opposite side is this vector. It is magnitude of vector Vb. Then I have to write it is V. Okay. Adjacent side means it is Vr. So yes, here it is Vr. Clear about this? Okay. So Vb, what is value of Vb? Yes, it is 12. What is value of Vr? Yes, it is 35. If you calculate this 12 upon 35, you will get your answer 0.343. Okay, and if you measure angle with the help of table, you will get angle theta nearly 19 degree. This angle theta is 19 degree. Now what is your answer? Your question is, if rain is falling in vertically downward direction, you are moving in west direction, then in which direction you have to hold umbrella? Yes, you know practically, okay, sir, we have to hold umbrella like this. But how to write in form of angle? See, this angle is theta. If I extend this line here, like this, okay, this angle is theta, so this angle is also theta. It is 19 degree, it is also 19 degree. So yes, you have to hold umbrella. Like this with vertical direction at 19 degree. So how to write your answer? You have to hold umbrella at 19 degree with vertical direction towards west. So it is your answer. In ABCD, in choices, you will be given answers like this. With vertical, in which direction? East or west? It is making angle. 19 degree with west. Clear about this? Write down. See, next question is, an object is projected with velocity v. If the range r of this object is double the maximum height, then its range is, yes, first of all you are given one relation, range of this object double the height, and then you have to find range. You may ask the equation of range, it is r is equal to b0 square sin theta upon g. It is not given in option. Okay, it is not given in option. Yes, you have to find range. You have to find range. What is equation of range? Range R is equal to V0 square sine 2 theta 0 upon G. Yes, but see, in option you are given V0 square upon G means V upon G. If I write this as V square upon G, okay, because you are given initial velocity V, then R is equal to V square sine 2 theta upon G. V square upon G, it is in option, but what about sine 2 theta? Yes, you have to put value of sine 2 theta. If I simplify this sine 2 theta, see, V square upon G, 2, sine 2 theta means sine theta 0, cos theta 0. Clear about this? So yes, I have to find value of sine theta 0 and cos theta 0. It is equation of sine theta 0. Okay, how to find? Yes, you are given one condition. See, if the range of this object is double their maximum height, means R is equal to 2h. Range of this object is double the maximum height, R is equal to 2h. Put value of R, V square sine 2 theta 0 upon G. Clear? 2, h, its equation is V square sine square theta 0 upon 2G. Then see, 2 cut, 2 cut, G cut, G cut, V square cut, V square cut. Simple? Yes. Sine 2 theta 0 means 2 sine theta 0 cos theta 0. Yes or no? Is equal to, it is sine square theta 0. It is sine square theta 0. Clear about this? Okay, again, what is equation of R? V square sine theta 0 upon G. 2, yes it is 2. What is equation of maximum height? V0 square sine square theta 0 upon 2G. Okay, now this 1 sine theta cut, 1 sine theta cut. If you take cos theta this side, then 2 is equal to, it is tan theta 0. Then 2 is equal to, it is tan theta 0. Clear about this? Clear about this? Okay, so yes, it is first equation, tan theta 0 is equal to 2. Now, from tan theta 0 is equal to 2, how to write? See, if you know basic trigonometry, it is right angle triangle. If this angle is theta 0, tan theta means, yes, in previous question we have observed, okay, what is tan theta? Tan theta means opposite side upon adjacent side. Yes or no? Tan theta means opposite side upon adjacent side. Here tan theta 0 is equal to 2. Here tan theta 0 is equal to 2. Means I can write this as 2 upon 1. I can write this as 2 upon 1. Yes or no? Yes, I can write. Yes, I can write. Yes or no? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Then it is 2, it is 1. Then how to find this hypotenuse? 2 square plus 1 square. 2 square plus 1 square. 2 square means 4. 4 plus 1, it is 5. So yes, it is under root 5. So yes, it is under root 5. Clear about this? Clear about this? So yes, theta 0 means, tan theta means opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite side upon adjacent side. Tan theta 0 is equal to 2. So what is meaning of tan theta 0 is equal to 2? You have to draw one triangle. Let it is angle theta 0. Tan theta 0 is equal to 2 means I can write like this, man, 2 upon 1. Yes or no? Then it is 2 upon 1. Then I can find this hypotenuse. It is root 5. It is root 5. Okay. So yes, what I need? Sin theta 0 and cos theta 0. Then yes, from this figure, sin theta 0. Sin theta means opposite side upon hypotenuse, means it is 2 upon root 5. From figure, cos theta 0. Cos theta 0 means adjacent side. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse means it is 1 upon. Simple? Yes, you have to use simple trigonometry. Okay, so now put each and every value in this equation. Here it is v square upon g 2. Chalo. What is value of sin theta? Sin theta is 2 upon root 5. What is value of cos theta? Cos theta is 1 upon it is root 5. Clear about this? So see, this 2 into 2, it is 4. Root 5 into root 5, it is 5. And yes, this v square upon g as it is. This v square upon g as it is. Clear? So it is how you have to solve any question. You have to find range. Write equation of range. Yes, it is. In answer you are given v square upon g in each and every option. So yes, you have to put value of sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta means 2 sin theta 0 cos theta 0. Now how to put this value? You are given one condition. Range is equal to twice maximum height. Write the equation. Cancel out terms. You will get one condition. 2 is equal to tan theta. Now just from this point you have to think. Okay. 2 is equal to tan theta 0. Write right angle triangle, draw right angle triangle, and find value of sin and cos. You will get your answer. Okay. Now see, next question. See, an object is moving on a circular path with velocity v at any instant. When it completes half rotation, what will be changed in velocity? What will be changed in velocity? See, first of all, let it is one circular path. Let it is one circular path. Okay. Yes, it is. An object is moving on a circular path with velocity v at any instant. When it completes half rotation, what will be changing its velocity? I am assuming initially it is at this point. It is initial point. And finally it is at this point. Final point. Yes, it is called half rotation. Yes or no? Yes, it is. Now let it is moving in this anti-clockwise direction. At this point, what is direction of velocity? Yes, we know that on path, direction of velocity is in direction of tangent. So if I draw tangent in this direction, it is initial velocity in this direction. Okay, so v1. How to write this v1? How to write this v1? I am writing like this. It is v I carry. I have assumed it is x-axis. Clear about this? Clear about this? At this point, direction of velocity is in this direction. v1 is equal to vi. Yes, it is moving. At this point, what is direction of tangent? Yes, tangent is in this direction. So here it is final velocity. That is v2. Then how to write this v2? v2 is equal to, see students, if you observe, this v2 is in opposite direction of v1. Yes, we know that when it is moving on circular path, speed means magnitude of velocity remains same, only direction changes. Then how to write v2? v2 is equal to minus vi. v2 is equal to minus vi. Clear about this? Sure? Okay, so see, initial position it is v1 is equal to vi caret. Final position v2 is equal to minus vi caret. Why minus vi caret? It is in opposite direction. Yes, you have to find change in velocity. So change in velocity, delta v is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity. So minus vi caret minus vi caret. Yes, v2 is minus vi caret. In between minus sign and initial velocity is vi. So yes, here it is minus 2vi caret. It is delta v. If I want to find its magnitude, what is magnitude of change in velocity? Mode of delta v, then it is 2. What is change of direction? Minus x-axis. Clear about this? Okay. So yes, it is one question based on it. Now next, the linear speed of tip of second arm of clock is v. Then magnitude of change in velocity in 15 seconds. See? Let it is watch. Okay, let it is second arm. It is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and here it is 11. Yes, it is clock. Okay, yes. The linear speed of tip of second arm of clock is v. The magnitude of change in velocity in 15 seconds. See. If you take any interval 15 seconds, your answer will be same. Magnitude will be same. See, initially I am assuming second arm is here. Second arm is here at 12 o'clock. At 12 o'clock. Yes or no? Yes. You know that second arm is moving in clockwise direction. Yes or no? Yes. Means this tip of second arm is performing uniform circular motion. It is performing uniform circular motion in this direction. Yes, it is performing uniform circular motion in this direction, in clockwise direction. Yes or no? Yes, it is. Okay, so yes, if initially it is at 12 o'clock, okay, at this point, then what is its direction? Its direction is in direction of tangent. So yes, it is V1. Yes, it is V1. Clear about this? Clear about this? Then how to write V1? See, I can write V1 is equal to V1 is equal to it is V1 is equal to it is V I cap. Because the linear speed means magnitude. It is V and it is in x direction. After 15 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds. So after 15 seconds, second half will be here. So what is direction of velocity? Direction of velocity is in direction of tangent. Is in direction of tangent. So yes, velocity will be in this direction. It is V. It is V. Clear about this? Clear about this? Then what is V2? V2 is equal to, see, V2 is in vertically downward direction. In this, or if you are taking, if you take this direction as X and this direction as Y, then it is in downward direction. Yes or no? Then minus Y axis. Minus Y axis means, yes, you can write like this, minus VG. Minus VG. Clear about this? Clear? So yes, whenever you are given velocity, okay, whenever it is performing circular motion, you have to remember what is direction. Clear about this? Now yes, magnitude of change in velocity, you have to find change in velocity, change in velocity, change in velocity. Delta V is equal to V2 minus V1. V2 minus V1. Therefore, delta V is equal to V2 minus V1. V2, it is minus Vj. V1, it is minus Vi. See, in this question, delta V is equal to minus 2Vi. It is simple. We can directly find its magnitude in this story. Here you have to find magnitude. Okay, it is J and it is I. Then how to find its magnitude? Yes, you know, mode of delta V is equal to under root minus V square plus minus V square. So it is V square plus V square means it will be root 2V. It will be root 2V. Clear about this? Okay, then see here, if during half rotation, what is change in velocity? During 15 seconds, what is change in velocity? How to find? Most important thing in this chapter is direction. Most important thing in this chapter is direction, and take care about this direction. Clear? Write down.